What is the theme for our conference this year? 2026 Youth Conference. What is our theme? New life. Why do we need new life? Because something is wrong with the old life. What is wrong with the old life? Sin. When we do sin, what do? We try to hide it, right? And that sin separates us from God. Okay, that's for lecture session 1. Now it's time for presentation. Team Christian, team leaders, are you ready? Redemption ready? Salvation and disciples ready? You guys are ready? Okay, so you have 30 seconds to 2-minute presentations. Whatever your group discuss, come and do a presentation for us that will carry 20 points. And Joseph will be our scorekeepers, the judge for the presentation. Okay, all right, team Christians. Who's the leader? Are you ready? Yeah, please come. Okay, team Christian, please come up. Good. Okay. Yeah, come up here. Yeah. Okay. So you got 30 seconds to 2 minutes.
What my team learned, well, just basically for lesson 4, was we shouldn't try to fix our problems ourselves. Instead, we should trust God's plan. And we mostly aimed for lesson 4. It was like sin separates us from God, and how like sin it isn't small, but it leads to death. And we also quoted a Bible verse. I think it was Romans 3, verse 23. For all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. Is missing the mark, and God has set the standards for us. And one more thing, sin doesn't just make you bad; it separates you from God. That's it.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, hold on. Okay, Judge, start. Just what you think? 15 out of 20. Good job, Christian. Team Redemption, please come. Redemption. Okay, come up here. Okay.
So my team said that it might be a little bit long, so I apologize. Our biggest problem in our lives is sin, obviously. And sin has created a huge gap between us and our original and old relationship with our Creator, to the point where this generation can't understand that we can't solve this problem by ourselves. And it's not that, because we're evil, that we choose to be evil. It's that we chose our feelings and our desires over our God, who originally designed us, to be with Him. And as the more we forget that our Creator power, oh shoot, my bad. Let me just end it there.
Hold on. Judge, what do you think? 14, but you try your best, okay? I really appreciate your effort. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, very good. All right, Team Salvation, please come up. Yeah.
My team. So what we have learned so far is 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 17, and 4 major points. First is what's wrong with me. Second is trying to fix it but it doesn't last. Third is being ashamed and trying to hide it. Fourth point is that sin separates us from God. It is missing the mark. Sin is not just around us but within us.
Wow, very good. Very short, but almost perfect. Okay. All right. Judge, what you think? 15. Good job. All right. Team disciple, please come.
Okay, so my group, we said that sin is not something that's around us, it's within us. So since sin is in us, we have to start fresh new, obviously, but we can't keep our old lives with us if we want to start fresh new with Jesus. So we have to throw our old ones away, and we have to understand that we have to build from it. Also, that we should always put Jesus first, because the saying, put yourself first, I say I don't agree with that, because we should always put Jesus first. Choosing sin is choosing your own ways over God, but God always has a plan for you. Even when you're lost, He always has a plan. He can always redirect you, and that we try to hide our sins with lies and greed, and that a lot of our generation, we always, like, instead of going to God and pray about it, we go to ourselves and we try to resolve it ourselves in our own ways, and that's our mistakes. So even if you feel embarrassed about your own sins, come to God as you are, because God already knows the sins you have did. So yeah.
Good job. Thank you. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Go ahead. Just. Yeah. 20. Wow. Very good. Very good. Thank you. All right. By the way, I really like the worship songs this evening, and worship team, you did really good job. And guys, let's give them a big hand to our worship team one more time. Thank you, worship team. Good job. Good job. All right. Now it's time to hear from our scorekeeper. Drum roll, please. Come on. All right. Scorekeeper, please come up here and give us a report from the CCTV and also from the score. You have 2 minutes.
So right before we took a break, team creation, a lot of people on their phone. So I deduct 5 points. And then some people were not paying attention, and then they were talking to each other. So another 5 points. And then team redemptions, somebody was praying for us the whole time. Like, so he was sleeping, if you don't know. So I deduct 5 points. Not you. Somebody was sleeping. So I deduct 5 points. And then some people went to the bathroom without permissions when he specifically asked that you raise your hand and ask for permission first, right? So I deduct 5 points again. And then team salvation, same thing. Some people went to the bathroom without permissions. So 5 points. And then I see some people talking in the middle. So 2 points for that. And then disciple, some of you were not paying attention. So 5 points. And then going to the bathroom without permissions, another 5 points.
Thank you, Josh. So make sure you get your toilet pass, restroom pass from our security. And then security will mark what time you go out, what time you come back, all right? And you should not take more than 2 minutes in the restroom. All right. Everyone, welcome back. Class. Hey. Ho. Cheese. Pop. Star. Gold. All right, very good. So, session 1, we talked about the old life, which is sin. Not just the thing we do, but what is going on inside of me, inside of us. And we said something really important. The problem is not around us, but it's within us. This evening, session 2, we will go a little bit deeper, because sin is not just a small issue. It's actually powerful and dangerous. Powerful and dangerous. If we don't understand that sin is powerful, dangerous, deadly, addictive, we will not know why we need the new thing. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to stop doing something, but you could not? Yes, me too, right? Like, I'm not going to say it again, but you do. This is the last time, but that's not. I'm done with this, but you go back. This is my last time vaping, no more vaping. I know that's not your last time. This is my last time watching this pornography, but that's not your last time. This is my last time using F word, but that's not your last time. Why is that? Because sin has power over you. Next slide, please. So, go back to the sin chair. Okay, so sin has power. If you underestimate how dangerous sin is, it can easily take control over your life, take control of you. Don't underestimate. Take it seriously. It has power. It starts with small choice, right? That's one choice. Just one moment. One compromise. You think about it. Just one time vaping, right? But you keep doing it. Just one touch, but you keep touching it. You think I'm in control. I'll be able to stop at any time I want. Just let me do it this time. But over time, if you underestimate the deadly power of sin, it will control over your life. Here is the sin chair. Do not touch. Oh, what is that? Do not touch. This represents sin. Do not touch. What is that? Oh, sin. Right? I know it's sin. I should not touch. I know it. We know it's sin. We know what you do is wrong because God, the Bible teaches us. And our parent tells us. Our pastor teaches us that it's not right. It's sin. But we know it's sin, but we don't care, right? I know it's sin. I should not touch. But I don't care. I just don't care. What happened? I sit in the sin chair. At first, I feel okay. Right? Nothing happened. Right? Nothing is wrong with me. I feel good. I feel comfortable. Right? Okay. Now, I've been sitting here for a long time. Now I try to get out. I try to get out of it. Now I feel like I get stuck. Oh. I'm really getting stuck. What happened to Cynthia? Oh, this is not music. What happened? Oh, I have to get up. Oh, I'm getting stuck. Oh, I'm getting stuck. Come on, someone help. Help, someone help me. I have to get out. Help. Oh. Thank you, Joseph, for helping me. Thank you. Oh, give him a big hand for me. Thank you, Joseph. Oh, I'm getting stuck. It's a sin chair, guys. Do not touch it. Do not sit in it. You will get stuck. But somebody, right? Oh, like me, I don't care. I think I'm good enough. I'm strong enough to sit in it. If I sit, I will be able to pull myself out. I know I will not get stuck there. Oh, it's okay to touch and sit in it. At first, it doesn't seem like a big deal, right? You sit in it, I sit in it, I feel comfortable. Nothing feels wrong at first. But here is the problem. The longer you stay in it, the harder it is to get out. Now, team salvation leader, please come back here. I need one volunteer. Salvation leaders, yeah. Yeah, bro, come back. Yeah. Can you sit over there? Yeah. Sit here. Yeah. So, okay. So when I sit, easily. The second time I will hold you. Okay. The second time I will hold you. Okay. Okay. Now, is it okay? Okay. Now, I will represent sin. Okay. I'll hold you a little bit. Now get up. Get up. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. First time he can easily get up. And the second time he sit again. Sit again. Okay, now, second time he sit in the same chair again. Now I hold a little bit tighter. Get up. Oh, he still can get out, right? Okay, keep going. Now, he touch again. He sit again and again. Now the second, third time. Okay, now it's more harder now. It's not like the first time. The first time was easily he can get up, but the second time was even harder. The third time is really hard, right? Okay, get out now. Get up. Ah. Okay. Now this is the third time. Now he do it again. He vape again. He watch again. He do drug again. The third time. The fourth time. Let's see the fourth time now. Now the fourth time. He thought that he's able to get out, but sin is way powerful than he thinks. Okay, now get up now. Get up now. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Okay, now he needs rescuer. Child Joseph, please come. Child Joseph, come here, please. He needs helper. So he needs to get out of the chair. He got stuck. So help him. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ah! Okay, now he is released. It's not by his own. That's how sin works. Five points for the presentation. Thank you for helping me. Okay. So, the sin chair. Can you show the video clip? Let's watch the video clip. And turn up the light, please, if possible. Next slide. Yeah, turn up the light. If possible, can you turn off the light, please? And music louder, please.